Alright, welcome back, Generals, to another Let's Fix Generals 0 Hour to make the best game ever. How about we merge the changes that we have prepared here so that the Tanso will be able to do his stuff. So we add, we merge this one. Yeah, merge pull request. Let's double check. License terms, blah 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 blah. Yeah, git ignore, git attributes. Okay, merge pull request. Hold on. Squash and merge. There we go. Add license. Delete branch. There's also another thing we can do. Let me hide my screen real quick here. Yeah. I go to settings and I go to, hold on. Settings here. Webhooks. I need to punch in a code. Yeah. Okay. Oh, authentication fails. That is not expected. There we go. Okay, I'm in. And then we do webhooks. Webhooks? Yeah. Webhooks guide? No. How? Here, add webhook. There's a button, yeah. Content type. Why don't we just add a webhook? Yeah, why don't we just add a webhook? Yeah, maybe we should. I know I still have the screen blacked out because I'm looking at like repository settings. I wonder if we should maybe add a webhook to the entire organization, because then everything is just being, yeah, I think that's a better idea. Let's do that. So I add the webhook here. Yeah, okay. Active. Let me select. Okay, hold on. Let's delete. Okay, hold on. Let's see. Oh boy. Okay, so this and that. Discussions. Yeah. And Fox issues. Issue comments. Pull requests. Yeah. pushes, releases. Active. We deliver event details when this hook is triggered. Let me see. Do we have all? Yeah. Issue comments, issues, issues, forks discussions. Yeah. Commit comments. Okay. Okay, and I take this webhook here. Oh man, this is a bit of work. Hook is inactive, okay. Okay, so we add this one. And then we add another one. There we go. There. There. Discussion. All right. Commit comments. Huh. Discussion. Yeah, sorry, it takes a bit longer here because there's quite a number of checkboxes here. Oh boy. Issue comments, issues. File, yeah. Pull requests. Okay. Okay, update webhook. Webhook. Okay. Okay, and this one we disable. Oh boy. Redeliver. Okay, that works. Okay. And now I need to disable the other ones. Ta-da. I think I need to go to here and there. Settings. Oh, I know I have my screen disabled right now. Hold on. Game code settings. Okay. Oh man, I wanted to do something. I already forgot what it was. Okay, here, webhooks. Yeah, disable it. There we go. Edit. Oh man. Update. Man. And webhooks. Update webhook. Okay. Okay. I think it's okay now. Let me close up here the various thingies. Okay, I will re-enable the screen. Sorry about that. Okay. Actually, I think I need to hide it once more. So create and merge commits. Okay, I go to Discord. Hold on. Arctic Dolphin. We need to disable. We need to disable create and merge commit. Create and merge commit functionality on all repos. Can you look into it? Good. Let me bring back the screen. There we go. Good. Got a message. I will see if I can narrow down. Probably a mistake in the RPE where I've used int and it should be float and it's getting floor to 0, but the compiler before being passed to the function. Yeah. Good thought. Yeah. Good. Then so basically we need to disable this button here. I need to disable this button because it does a merge commit and we don't want that. We want a clean history. And yeah, this was already done once in our history, the wrong button, as we can see here. There. This is already was applied incorrectly here. Yeah. But okay, not a big deal. Good. Then, so what I wanted to do now is I did merge the two. No, I only merged one. Let's merge this. And so this I will merge as maps into folder. I will merge this with rebase. Yeah. Rebase and merge. Cannot be rebased. Okay, there are conflicts. Then let's check that out. There we go. Let's see. So we go to main. Yeah. Then we pull. All right, that looks good. Then we go to game page history. Then we go to rebase. And we get an error. Uh-oh. Solve conflicts. Oof. There's no base revision. Huh. Uh-huh. Oof. No. So the problem is it tries to put the license file at the same location. Meh. How about, can we rename it? Oof. Yeah, I don't know how to resolve this. Can we rename this license? If we could rename it to license 2 or something, that would work, but this does not work. No. Oof. Oh. Merge. Okay, then let's so we take this revision, we save, continue rebase. Let's see what that does. Well, that was a useless change. How about we reset to here, reset current branch to here, mixed. There we go. And then license txt. Then we revert these two files. Yeah. Okay, that didn't work. Reset. There we go. This map cache, what does it contain? Oh, that's outdated, yeah. Okay, so I guess what we do is we stage this, and that basically just moves the files, and then we say move maps to subfolder. Yeah. Yeah. Move maps to subfolder. Okay. Commit. Okay. Okay, and this way we basically got rid now of the one change which touched the license. Yeah. Okay. Maybe we should have first done this change and then afterwards added the license, then it would have worked. Yeah. Yeah, I didn't anticipate that. Oh, that's okay. Good. This should be good. And now we have all the commit 2 edits we have here recovered. That's nice. Okay, then we can push that to the remote. Force push. Okay. Here we can do fetch and prune. And we can already delete. We can already delete. Closed. Let license. Did we not delete the branch? We did. Huh, why is this not tracked? That's weird. Ah, because we didn't fetch prune from here. Aha. Right. Now it shows it's gone. Yeah, okay. Good. Delete. Good. And then let's merge this one here. And we go here. Okay. This one here no longer applies. Okay. Okay. We'll squash and merge. Yeah, and then we put these guys here. Good. And then move that. Move that. Add maps history. Yeah, okay. I think this works. Mm-hmm. 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 Mm. Yeah, there's one problem though. There's one problem. We don't have we did not move the change logs for this, right? Yeah. Change logs, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I didn't realize this before. The change logs are not in there, but should they be? Huh. Yeah, that's a good question. Oh. Oh. Ah, yeah. Hmm. 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 Yeah. Hmm. Hmm. Question is with this filter branch, git filter branch. What can this do? Git filter branch documentation. So subdirectory filter, n filter, index filter, tree filter, parent, commit filter. Yeah. Commit filter. The fact that we have now put this license.txt in the root made this whole exercise more complicated because of the conflict that occurs. That's not smart. Yeah, that was a stupid move. Yeah, maybe. I wonder this commit filter here. What does that do? It probably explains it somewhere here. Here, this filter for performing the commit. A filter is applied. It will be called instead of the git commit tree. Commit filter may emit multiple commit IDs. Subdirectory filter, n filter, index filter. What is the index filter? Huh? Index filter. Filter for rewriting the index. Tag name filter. Tag name filter. Parent tree filter. What is that? Filter for rewriting the tree and its contents. The argument is evaluated in shell with a working directory. Set to root of the checked out tree. The new tree is then used as is. New files are auto added. Let me double check something here. So in patch, in changelog, we do have the ability to source list. Ah, yeah, okay. So we can here append multiple sources, yeah. So we can move the change logs for the maps to the other repository. Right now it's not in there. Right now it's not in there. Maps. Yeah, so I think we need to create a design folder. Create a design folder. Create a design folder in here. Yeah. Yeah. Design changes. Yeah. The question is, would there have been a way that we grab this one? So only look at the history which touches a given subdirectory. This is not a real filter executed for each commit, but a one-time setup just before the loop. Therefore, no commit-specific variables are defined yet. Oof. N filter. This filter may be used if you only need to modify the environment in which the commit will be performed. Specifically, you might want to rewrite the author, committer name, email, time environment variables. Tree filter. This is a filter for rewriting the tree and its contents. Parent filter. This is a filter for rewriting the commits parent list. It will receive the parent string on std in and shall output the new parent string in std out. The parent string is in the format described in git commit tree. Message filter. Filter for rewriting commit messages. Okay. Commit filter. Performing the commit. If this filter is specified, it will be called instead of the git commit tree. Tag name filter. Filter for rewriting tag names. Original. Use this option to set the namespace. Use this option to set the path to the temporary directory for state branch. It's to me, it doesn't look like that there's an option where you can say, I want this commit and this commit and this commit and so on, right? Also, I wonder, can you specify this multiple times or just once? Let's search for that. Git subdirectory multiple. Here, detach many subdirectories. Gets rid of everything except for the given directory. Index filter argument for all unwanted files. Oof. If I try running it more than once, I get the following message. Ideas. Instead of having to deal with a subshell and using xglobal, try this much simpler approach. Oof. That looks very simple. What? Aha. We'll remove everything except that and that. My gosh. Okay, so we can specify multiple folders. This is an unholy command here. Yeah. Yeah, I think this is what we will need for the textures, but I still don't see a way for... I don't see a way for the... how we can preserve the change log. I don't know. Maybe there's a way. I don't see it right now. Because here you give a folder. Filter repo. Git filter repo. Chaining. Keep this file. Huh. Minus pass. Filter repo. Okay, let's try. How about we try this one here? Should we do it now? Yeah, maybe. So we delete this here. And it doesn't work. It doesn't work. Why not? It's opened somewhere. Well, we delete another time then. Okay, then let's create a new copy. How about that? Yeah. Create a new copy. Found a new function where it should take unsigned, but it takes signed. That needs fixing. Okay. That's good. Yeah, I can't read all that. It's too much chat here. Yeah. Okay, so basically what I would like to do, I would not just like to copy the one folder there with the changes to the ini files, but also the changelog, because that should be linked in there, right? Oh, hold on, maybe it's not. Let me see. Well, you need to make a copy anyway, so it's fine. Let's go to game page. Here, and then we just need to click here. Yeah. So this one is just 5 changes, right? Why is it not opening? Oh, it is. Okay, hold on. Okay, so that one doesn't have a changelog because it was probably created before I added the changelogs. Yeah, that seems to be likely the cause. Yeah. But this one does. This one does. It was created much later. Yeah. Okay. Let's go in here. Let's go to main branch. Let's go to initial commit. Check out this commit. Then create new branch. Add game patch history 2. Create branch. Okay. So that is starting from the initial commit. And then we repeat the whole shebang and then see if we can get the changelogs in there as well. Before we do that, there was one other thing that I wanted to look at. Wiki and documentation. So there is this report here. Oh, I actually wanted to look a bit into the Visual Studio 2022 solution, but there's just so much else to do as well. So here, nodes, the texture, structure, structure, texture, name, variance. Blank. Summer. Blank. D E R G D G. Then winter is summer suffix none. Winter suffix. Winter texture suffix. S DS ES RS SG oops SG DSG night texture suffix summer night texture suffix SN DSN ESN. Wait, that is that's snow. Hold on. There we go. EN RN NG DNG. Here we can say invalid texture to be removed with mod builder. NG night garrison night damaged night garrison damaged night snow damaged snow really damaged snow rubble snow snow garrison damaged snow garrison let's call this pristine snow pristine damaged really damaged rubble garrison damaged garrison winter night texture suffix SN snow night DSN ESN RSN DSNG or SNG first and then DSNG damaged snow night really damaged snow night rubber no hold on invalid texture to be removed with mod builder. There we go. Snow night garrison damaged snow night garrison. There we go. So this is that. Structure name variations. Yeah. Okay, and then I think there's also vehicle name variations. And I think that is non pristine. Then there's D1. Hold on, I should check. Let's go to original game files. Yeah. There. Art, textures. We look for AV. Yeah, so there's D and D1. Yeah. D1B. Yeah, so it's typically D and D1. Yeah. Okay, so D. I think D1 is rec, right? Let me see. Let's see, cargo plane. Oof. Let's go to AV Humvee. AV Hummer. So this is pristine, D damaged, and this would be the wreck. I think so, yeah. Yeah. D1 wreck. Damaged. Okay. So that is vehicle name variations. Okay. Okay, what else? So we got that. Other name variations. Notes. Notes on texture naming conventions. Some original textures do deviate from this scheme, from this convention, but most of them are like this. By mistake. Yeah. Can we say anything else about it? In the texture. Structure, texture, name, variants. Okay, let me add this as a first comment. It looks like there's a little bit of an error here. Maybe we should put this like so. Yeah. Oh boy. Okay, I suspect that this will be a bit better looking. Yeah, I think this is better. Okay, and the next documentation would be generals game page. Optional art textures. Textures. Let me think. I guess we just open a set and look at it and then figure out what is the naming convention of the layers inside. Yeah. Oh, hold on. How about we first say typical or what typical building textures contain, or let's say what textures contain. Let's say it's a PSD naming conventions. PSD naming conventions. PSD layer naming conventions. Yeah. Okay. So what do we have? So the first naming convention is if the background layer is flattened, then it is the original retail texture. The background layer is flattened, then it is the original retail texture, DDS, in best quality. In best discovered quality. If the background, if the bottom layer is not the original retail texture, then it has a name that represents then it has a name that represents the source texture name. That can be a DDS or TGA or a processed AI upscaled. Can be a DDS or TGA or processed AI upscaled texture. Okay. Layers can have arbitrary layer names are lowercase and use common common keywords such as damage, or what else do we see here? Damage, lights, barricades, damage, lights, barricades, snow, yeah, maybe we should open some more. Let's open this one here. Snow, damage. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, there could be so many examples, I guess. If the bottom layer is not the original trending, then it has a name that represents the source texture name. That can be a DDS or TIA or a processed image. And the other processed texture. Or a merged composited or a merged, aka composited PSD image of the same texture set. A merged, aka composited image of the same or another or another rare texture set. Layer names are lowercase and use common keywords such as or any other name that gives it a meaning. Layer names may end on a suffix, on a texture variant suffix, D, G, E, which helps layer names may end on a texture variant suffix, which helps identifying the layer and group names. Layer and group names may end on a texture variant suffix, which helps identifying the targeted, which helps identifying the targeted variant and can be copied to other texture variants, always implying that its contents are equivalent to the origin layer, the first, which helps identifying the targeted variant. Oh man, this is confusing. Layer and group names may end on a texture variant suffix, which helps identifying targeted the origin texture variant. Layers and groups can be copied to other texture variants and are expected to be identical if they share the same name among the same texture sets. If they share the same name within the same texture set. Yeah. Let's read that one more. Layer and group names may end on a texture variant suffix, which helps identifying the origin texture variant. Layers and groups can be copied to other texture variants and are expected to be identical if they share the same name within the same texture set. Then has a name that represents it can DDS or TGA. Let's make this capital DDS or TGA. Or a processed AI upscale texture, or a merged aka composited PSD image of the same or another texture set. If textures I'm actually not sure if this is true or another rare. Actually, no, this never happens because this would be unmaintainable. This would be unmaintainable. This never happens. Of the same, let's say, and never another texture set. Yeah, because it would be unmaintainable if you wouldn't know. Actually, I'm not 100% sure. Maybe there was such a case somewhere, but like if you change a texture set and you don't know its reference in another one, then you wouldn't know which texture set to update, right? So I think this never happens. Yeah, I think all the texture sets they are self-contained, I think. Yeah. If PSD textures are modified, then their edits need to how we say they need to evolve, advance. They need to spill into the other PSD textures. Need to if PSD textures are modified, then the edits need to then they need to sneeze. The edits need to flow. By the way, yeah. The edits need to, I don't know, I have the right word. If PSD textures are modified, then the edits need to... There is a word for this, I know. Delegate? No. Need to... Trickle down? No. There is a word for this. If something... You accomplish something or you create something and then it goes to the next thing, or I don't know how to write this. If PSD textures are modified, then the edits need to move, let's go to English synonymous. Yeah. Oh boy, what is this? Oh boy. Nowadays you can't use websites anymore. Trickle down. That's a stupid word. Buckle down. Oh boy. Yeah, no. Need to move to, if PSD textures are modified, then the edits need to move downstream. Need to move downstream to all merged textures that use move. The edits need to move to lower order textures that use higher order textures. Let's put it parenthesis summer, or let's say pristine, damaged, and summer, winter, and so on. Okay, let's read that one more time. If the bottom layer is not the original retake texture, DDS, then it has a name that represents the source texture name. That can be a DDS or TGA, or a processed AI upscale textures, or a merged aka composited PSD image of the same and never another texture set. If PSD textures are modified, then the edits need to move to lower order textures that use higher order textures. That use higher order merged textures. Pristine, damaged, summer, winter, and so on. Layer and group names are lowercase and use common keywords such as damage, light, barricade, snow, or any other name that gives it meaning. Layer and group names may end on a texture variant suffix, which helps identifying the origin texture variant. Layers and groups can be copied to other structure texture variants and are expected to be identical if they share the same name within the same texture set. Okay, do we have other rules? Damage. Yeah. Or a processed AI upscaled texture. Represents the source texture name in detail. There's a name that represents the source texture name in sufficient detail. That can be a DDS or TGA or process textures. For example, let's try to find an example here. Here, this one is a good example. For example, CBN this. There we go. There we go. Okay. If the background layer is flattened, then it's the original rotate texture TDS in best discovered quality. If the bottom layer is not the original rotate texture, then it has a name that represents the source texture name in sufficient detail. That can be a DDS or TGA or processed AI upscale textures. For example, that and then that model name, or a merged, aka composited MSD PSD image of the same, never another texture name. Let's say here, for example, let's find an example here, merged. There we go. Merged. Layer naming conventions. Okay. Anything else? Anything else? Let's open some more files. How about we open... let's look if we see anything special in vehicles, maybe. AV something, ambulance, for example. AV ambulance. Okay, that, yeah, it uses the correct naming convention. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. What else? Let's try naming convention. Let's open this one here. Oh shit, I think I opened it incorrectly. There we go. Fix snow. Ah yeah. So here I removed the deep shadows. Yeah, the GLA, they have really deep shadows, which is different from the other factions. And here I removed them a bit. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I think that's a nutshell of the naming conventions, right? Let me think. Is there anything else? There's one more thing. There are probably more things. Layers meant to be hidden. Layers meant to assemble some. Layers meant to assemble an alpha channel. Layers meant groups meant to be used to assemble an alpha channel are named alpha and will be hidden before saving the file, the image file. Groups meant to be used to assemble an alpha channel are named alpha and will be hidden before saving the image file. Anything else? Let's close what we have open here. Let's see. How about we open this, see if there's anything interesting. Window. No, it looks like I consistently use that naming convention. Blurred copy, yeah. This one is maybe not perfectly named here. This one could maybe have been called ntdrive02edds instead of blurred copy. It takes away a bit of sharpness, I see. Yeah. Yeah. But I guess someone will understand eventually. It's just important that you understand the most of it. Fix no, yeah. Simply enough. Yeah. Okay. I think that is probably... Maybe there's something else that comes to my mind, but I think that is PSD layer naming convention. If the background layer is flattened, then it's the original retail texture DDS and best discovered quality. If the bottom layer is not the original retail texture DDS, then it has a name that represents the source texture name in sufficient detail. Yeah, yeah, it's probably going in the right direction here. Yeah. Okay, I will add this comment here. Okay. Yeah, good. Then let's close this effort here. Okay, so let's get back to Git. So we copied the repository. Let's close this one here. I keep opening this folder. So we copied this one, copy 2. Okay, then let's open this repository again. Browse, copy 2. And so here we also disable our remotes. Okay, we are on copy 2. Okay, we go to main branch. All right. Good. Then we go to this command here that we have seen, this one. An easy solution, git filter repo, pass, file to keep. Filter multiple by chaining them, okay. So how does this fit in with how we started here? So this is how we started the first one. Okay. Okay, so instead of this, we now do... Let's close that. So now we do this here. Okay. How about we bookmark this page just in case? So let's put that in here. So keep this file. So we want to keep this folder. And we also want to keep some files. Let's see. So we want to keep game files edited. Data, no. Design changes. So we're looking at 1081. 1081, that doesn't exist. 1087. 1087, that exists. So let's copy that name. Then we have 1085. 85, that also exists. Let's take that guy. Then we have 1086. That also exists. And we have more here. Cassette challenge. Okay, so in 2286, 2286, yeah. And 2296. 2296. That doesn't exist. Okay. Okay. Okay, so we 1, 2, 3, 4 we have. Okay. Good. And then what we say is let's go into this folder here. That. And so we want to keep this folder, this file. Okay, so that, and then pass. Let's put this pass first. Let's make it a bit larger so you can also see it, yeah. So we have this 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Good, then we take this guy, put it there. Then we take this, put it here, and we take that and put it here last. Good. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 passes with specific YAML file plus this, what we had before as well, the maps folder. Yeah. Okay, let's see if that works. Let's see. Paste. Oof. Filter repo is not a git command. Huh. Well, that didn't work well. Dang. What's up with that? After reviewing, I discovered git filter repo. Huh. Git filter repo. Oh, we are also on the wrong project. CD generals game page copy 2, right? Oh boy. There we go. Yeah, filter repo is not a git command. Huh. Filter branch prune empty apps master. Split apps, split libs. Huh? What? Oh, that's pretty complicated. What about this one? Jesus Christ, what is this command? Oh boy. Oh boy. Okay, how about we go to the other solution here? This one that has got the most upvotes. Maybe. Git rm cache qr ignore unmatch, whatever that means. And it gives 2 folders. Having to deal with the subshell. Try this much simpler approach. Can we also like specify a file here? Let's take this thing here. And we drop in these guys. So So we put this here, we remove the pass. Pass. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Well, let's see. Looks suspicious to me. Paste. Okay. It does something. Yeah. Okay. Generals Wiki now shows entries here. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. It's just too much messages here. Can't keep up. Okay, so we have a lot of rewrites going on, and it will be interesting to see what this gives us. Yeah. If this gives us is including the change logs, and then that would be pretty good, I think. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Luckily, there weren't so many map changes. Well, just some ini files in the maps. That's it. So it's a good test bed here. Yeah. Good test. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay, it seems to be a bit more complicated here. I think it wasn't that slow last time, right? Yeah, this looks like it will take a while. Mm-hmm. Okay, let's see if we have some more interesting things here. Oof. Fixed file path names. Additional Patreon. I'm really impressed with how much activity there is on the wiki. Yeah, so many people contributing there. I didn't even realize that it was so active. Yeah, look at that. Yeah. They built a big wiki here. Wow. Wow. So much info, yeah. I can't keep up with reading here. This is it's so much stuff. It's outrageous. Why am I listed here as contributor? I didn't add anything to the wiki. Or did I? Huh? What did I do? Ah, okay. So he took some files to initialize with, I guess. Mm-hmm. Okay. Oh, there's a typing error here. Guild guide. Yeah. For the guild. Well, guild is a valid word, so I guess it works. Right. Yeah. Oh, so much stuff here. My gosh. Spanish localization. Oof. Oof. A lot of comments here. Oof. Keeps DM Green busy. He never gets to sleep. Well, he has fixed everything. Look at that. But El Tio Rata still has more here in petto. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. But yeah, this needs documentation, no? How much did he change? 124. Okay, that's not too much. Yeah. Okay, is it still busy? Yeah, wow, it takes much longer than before. I wonder if now it does something completely wrong, right? That could be. Yeah, okay, while this is busy, how about we launch Visual Studio 2022 to look at compile error. Last session, we said that we wanted to see if we can fix a STL port issue, and Omniblade made a suggestion. He said, let's compare let's compare Assembly Armada, SIME, DEPS, STL port. There we go. And then we go to Super Hacker, game code, dependencies, no. Build VC6, DEPS. Oh, STL port source. There we go. Commands synchronize DS, compare, ignore date by content, sub DS. Yeah. Asymmetric. Oof. Oof. Ooh, that's a lot of difference. Can we do from here? Ugh. Can we maybe do, let's go to Sime. Let's go to file tree depths, STL port, view history. Aha. 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 Oh, I added this change. I can't even remember that. But this was specifically for 2022. But this one looks very familiar. As like this looks very familiar, but it's for one specific header. Oh. Was this Was this hold on. If we go to the assembly Armada, is there still a repository which is called STL ports? STL port. No, no match. Maybe he removed it. Oof. Oof. No. Carmageddon. The question is, I stopped reading. Good. So I mean, there must, so Omniblade moved STL port probably from a repository into Sime, but it doesn't exist anymore, right? So STL port, it's not a repository anymore. So we can't see the history of it. Okay, the diff is quite outrageous. I wonder if it's just white space, but I see like some huge differences here. Oh, it's too much. There is, everything is mismatching. Holy shit, how's that possible? How's that possible? I would have assumed that STL port is pretty much the same, but it's so different. Huh? Bruh. Let me send a screenshot here to Omniblade. Omniblade. STL ports between Sime and gen ZH are very different. Is this expected? Yeah, Okay, but what we can do maybe is, so we have a compiler, right? Let's compile and see again which macro this was here. So we go here, and so it's this one here, and then we check where this thingy is. Peak definition. No, go to definition. There we go. Yeah. So it's an STL MSVC. Good. So STL. Oh. Okay, so it's not all files. STL MSVC. There we go. Yeah, they're slightly different. STL MSVC. So from here, can we do, which folder is this? Config. And so we do STL MSVC there. This one, how do we select it? There. Okay, and then files, compare by contents. There we go. Aha. It has so many. Because of the EA div patch. Yeah. I see. Oof. Well, it doesn't make it easy. Oof. Yeah, this one actually looks useful here. Why is this removed? Oh. Oof. Man. How did the thing here advance, by the way? Oh, it's still doing. Okay, well, it's almost done. Okay, what I'm seeing here is that the stuff where MSVC version is checked, smaller than that, is removed. And here, if it's larger than that, this is actually the place where it would have to look into UCRT, right? Huh. What if we put this back? What happens then? I really don't know what it does. But it looks interesting enough. STL MSVC. We're already in there. So we put it back almost at the very bottom here. Yeah. Let's put that back. Yeah. Because here, these files, they are in this UCRT folder, right? Here, see? UCRT. And our version is bigger than that, see? So let's see what happens if we compile that. I don't have much hopes, but oh yeah, there we go. Okay, so that didn't help, but it was worth a try. What else? What about the stuff up here? Oof. No type name on return type. Man. Can we have some different music here maybe? How about this one? I don't really know what I'm looking for here. I guess anything with this would have been interesting. Oof. I'm just guessing. I don't really know what to look for. Maybe we look at the error code more closely. So it looks into include folder, right? So let's go to the definition here. SL, yeah. Is there any chance? Maybe here we should say, I mean, what we could do is, I wonder this thing here, native CR, UCRT. Define UCRT. Okay, let's comment this out here. What if we said that if it's larger than this version, then we use different folder. I don't know if they would all then be inside this UCRT. So you could say else if elif that, then we take this copy and we put it in here, and then here we say UCRT, right? UCRT, yeah. And then we just put all this. I have no idea if that will work. Maybe. Maybe not. Let's see. Oof. We get different kind of errors. Okay. Let's see. STD arc already has a body. So there is an include thingy. Maybe just some things need to be that. Let's just start with one of these things. Let's see what this does. Okay, that doesn't help. So that is C header. Okay, so you put C header here. Okay, what's next? Yeah. That doesn't help either. What is that? Native CPP runtime header. Native CPP runtime header. So new.h, where would that be? would also be in UCRT. Okay, let's put that here. Let's see what that does. That also doesn't work. No. Oof, it's probably one of those things where once again someone smarter than me needs to look at. I really have no clue how this is supposed to work. No such file directory. stdarc.h. So where is that? Is that in an include there? stdarc. It's not found. cstdarc is here, and that's inside include. Haha. And here, include. Okay, so there's some files that are include and others in ucrt. Oof. 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 I don't know how to deal with that. It looks like this version here. It at least has a concept of that thing, right? There's some information about the UCRT, but so maybe this one works correctly, but maybe there are more changes involved with this. This one is the same. Yeah, it's really hard to say. Jesus. Okay, what about this one? Okay, this one is done. How about we continue with that effort? So we did this, then we go back to this one here. Copy, paste, git reset hard. Okay, git gc aggressive, copy. GC, I guess, stands for garbage collect, maybe. Yeah. Oh yeah, summary would be a good idea. Actually, all tools are already done. Maybe there's some things that need fixing up, but that's all done. Yeah. I'm not sure what to do about the STL port thingy situation. Yeah. Yeah. Actually close this here. Yeah, okay, so let's see how far, 97%. Oh boy. Maybe we write to OmniBlade. Not sure yet. No idea how to solve the STL port stuff. It looks like a lot. It looks like the, what was it? Yeah, the MSVCR, MSC were, looks like the MSC were checks codes are not present in GenZH STL ports. Let's look at some other file. Compare files. What about yeah. What if we okay, how about we put this back and then we put this here as well. Need to search for it. There we go. So take this guy, put that here. That probably won't work. Let's see. Yeah. It's a lost cause. Well, we need to remove this here again. So the STL port, it certainly works for... It works for Sime. So the STL port stuff, other than trying to copy the whole thing from Sime. Yeah. There's probably some easy way, but I'm just not seeing it because it's to me it's not very obvious. Yeah, because it's not clear like like if we reference UCRT in some of these, and it didn't seem to work, so I don't know. If there was one class of thing that, you know, would just have this changed folder, then fine. But this seems to be very different. Maybe this is not, well, I mean, this is the same here. So that's interesting, actually. Right? Yeah. when this is the same here, it should behave the same. Maybe the change is more involved via well, let's say perhaps there is something we need to do with that we need to carry over regarding this. Okay, how about we do the following? We search how often this thing comes up. So we start a search for that thing and we search in this path. And there are 13 hits. It's not too much. Not too much, yeah? Okay. So then we go to oof. Yeah, let's open it in Visual Studio Code. And we just modify the dependency. So we go to code, build, VC Win32 depths, and select folder. Good. Then we search for, oops. Okay, first we can search, hold on. We search how often this actually is there. And my expectation is 0. Haha. Ah, hold on, we need to search here. Yeah, there's only the one that we have added here, right? Okay, so we have added this. Let's go to STL GCC. Let's add this guy at the bottom. Here. Here. All right. And then we go to ctype. ctype.h, ctype.h. And there we add it to line 23. Oof. Oof. Oof, what is this? Oof. Native header. Okay, so we replace this one here. Okay. Okay. Mass. Mass.h. All right. New.h. C header. Okay. Next. stdf. stdef. There we go. There we go. stdio. Stdio. Here. Yeah. stdlib. stdlib. Right. String.h. String.h. There you go. And time.h. Time.h. Okay. And wchar. Wchar. Okay. Wchar header. Okay. There we go. Okay, so far so good. And wc type. There we go. Okay, now the question is, would that compile? Maybe we should revert the other change we did here, this one. Oh, we will see. Oof. But it looks different now. That's good. Already has a body. Oof. But at least it finds the files now. That's good. I guess it's a progress. Yeah. But it says it already has a body. Shit. Well, that's not good. Yeah, so let me carried changes over, and the includes not found errors are gone. Include file not found errors are gone. But now compiler complains about duplicate bodies, duplicate function bodies. Yeah. The include file not found. Okay, but we're making progress. That's good. Wait, what about the git commands here? Okay, that has finished. Let's continue with that real quick. We are looking at this one, so we do git prune now. Paste, git prune, git clean, copy, paste. There we go. Oh, that doesn't look Oh, we will see. Okay. Then what? All right, then we continued here. Let me see. Copy to. So git add dot. There's nothing. Empty. Nothing. Move all the files and directories. There's only one. There's only one left here. Okay. Why is there only one ini file, one YAML file here? I would have thought there would be more. Okay, maybe what we should do then is we just add the YAML files manually in a new commit to what we already have. Yeah, so let's do that. Go to game page. Go to design. Design changes. Right. This was, we had a list here somewhere, right? This. So we're looking at 1087, 85, 86, 22, 86, 22, 86, 22, 86, 22, 86, 86 here, this one. No, huh? 22, hold on. 22. There we go. And 96, I think that was not here. 96 now. Okay, how about we cut these out? Cut them. We cut them and then we put them in here. This one is empty right now. Let's go to here. Let's go to this one. Let's remove this branch. Then we go to design. By the way, we should probably changes. Version 1.0. Let me actually verify that it captured all the changes on our first run. So we close this one. If we go to game page and we look at design changes version 1. No, that's not the right place. Edited maps. There we go. This one. View history. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, looks about right. Yeah, looks very familiar. Okay, no, then this was correct. Okay. So maybe what we can do is we go to main branch. We create a new branch. In this folder, remove maps. Remove maps. Create branch. Okay. So now this should be down here. Remove maps. And in there, we also remove now game code. No, game patch. We remove, oh man, edited maps. Maps. Okay, and then that would be that. And all this. These are all removes. Yeah. Okay. Then we say here remove maps. Remove patch 104p ZH game files edited maps. Okay. Oof, conflict with the version in the game or in the existing Windows headers. Yeah. Okay, oh man, it's just too much here. Okay, so we have now add game page history. So here we add the change logs to design changes. Okay. Add change logs from generals game page repository. Add relevant or copy. Yeah, add relevant change logs from repository. Change logs for maps. Okay, I think this should be all right. Yeah, let's commit that. Okay, let's push that as well. Push. Okay. I think this change is ready to go to main branch unless we want to change directory. I want to change maps directory, but we can still change it later as well. So no problem. Well, I mean, it would be good to keep it the way it is. I think this change is ready to go to main branch unless we want to change the map directories in some way. Split between single player and multiplayer could make sense. I need to think about it. Could make sense in terms of bundling a core versus optional pack, release pack. I need to think about it. Yeah. Okay. I will end it here. It has been 2 hours 30. We got a little bit of things done. But yeah, there's just too much work. It just never ends. That's okay. Good. Then I wish you a great day or night. Until next time, goodbye.